Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to look at the problem that is related to the virtual technology. How can we enable this in the HP laptop? We might need this option in case we are running some third-party software like memu or virtual box. So for that, let me show you the problem first. It will display this error. The CPU virtualization feature is disabled, so we have to enable it first so that it can run smoothly. For that, first of all, we will go to the settings. Then we can look for recovery options. Then click on advanced startup restart now option. Wait for the system to boot up. And click on the troubleshoot. Now we have to click on the advanced options. This is the setting that is there in the HP laptop. You will see UEFI Firmware Settings. We have to click on this one. Then click restart. Now we have to go to the BIOS setup. For that we have to click F10. Once we are in the BIOS, use the left and right keys to navigate to the system configuration tab and use the arrow down key to go to the virtual technology option. Hit enter and navigate to the enabled option. Now we have enabled it. Press F10. This will save the changes and we will hit yes and the system will restart. Now our system has started successfully, and now we'll again open this application to verify if the virtual technology is working or not. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and here you can see it is working perfectly. And please like and share this video and have a nice day. Thank you.